the slogan of BJP Go Back, Autonomous State Demand Committee hit the street against malpractices under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, demanded for a high-level investigation. Presidential election of Karbi Lamet Amai is reported to have been conducted. Hidinat Rongpi elected as the new president of Karbi Lamet Amai. And second Karbi Khaya Terim Kangduk or remembrance to Karbi Ancestor is reported to have been held this morning at Joy Singhaloy Auditorium here in Difu. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cut News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. I'm Sarim Diso. Now the news in details. With the slogan of BJP Go Back, Autonomous State Demand Committee hit the street against corruption under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The protest rally was carried out this afternoon here in Difu. ASDC alleged that rupees 8 crore out of 28 crore has already been drawn for Greater Difu Water Supply Scheme, and this amount has been pocketed by contractor Amarjit Ronghang, son of HAD Minister and the former executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Sum Ronghang, and the work was not executed. The regional party said that on 7th of April 2015, the Guwahati High Court had issued an order for completion of the work, but it is yet to be done. The ASDC later alleged that there is a misuse of fund and corruption in every department under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The organizations also claimed that the autonomy of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council of being eroded and incompetent. Furthermore, ASDC, KSC and KNCA demanded for CBI investigation in all departments under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Presidential election of Karbi Lamet Amai is reported to have been conducted this morning at Karbi Lamet Amai office at Difu Rongthiang here on Friday. Following the election, Hidinat Rongpi secured 81 votes as the highest vote and elected as the new president of Karbi Lamet Amai. That's the report. Presidential election of Karbi Lamet Amai is reported to have been conducted this morning at Karbi Lamet Amai office at Difu Rongthiang here on Friday. 93 persons, including executive and branches member of the organization, attended and voted the election. The election was contested among 20 persons, prominent and renowned writer as Joy Singh Tokpi, Suren Kramsa, George Singh Bey, Kam Singh Hansi, Chitru Kumar Bey, and other 15 persons were contested the election. Following the election, Hidinat Rongpi secured 81 votes as the highest and elected as the new president of Karbi Lamet Amai. The former president of Karbi Lamet Amai, Suren Kramsa, congratulated the new elected president for winning the elections as the president of Karbi Lamet Amai. Bureau Report, Cut News. Right. Let's have a little short break here at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.
Start here, right anywhere. Isan Motors authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan near Don Bosco School, Difu, 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, contact 700-280-5352 and 8812-805591, or you can mail isanmotorsk@gmail.com. Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise under Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand. An offer you cannot refuse. branch, Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Welcome back to the mainstream at 6. The second Karbi Khai Atirim Kangduk, or remembrance to Karbi Ancestor, is reported to have been held this morning at Joy Singh Doloi Auditorium here in Difu. The invocation or remembrance ceremony was organized by Karbi Atirim Chikimo Amai. The program was started this morning with unfurling a flag of Karbi Khai Atirim Chikimo Amai. Later, prayer was offered to invoke and remember the Karbi ancestors. The prayer was led by Guru P. Pai Bamon P. and was accompanied by Bamon P. P. Manai Sinar P. Former executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Bida Singh Rongpi, President of Karbi Cultural Society Chandra Singh Kro, ex-President of UPDS Welfare Society Muniram Ronghang, Diuri Rongpi, Phu Ningding, and President of Karbi Student Association Simeon Rongphar, and many dignitaries attended the invocation or remembrance ceremony. Alright, so that's the wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Jonali Timungpi is bringing you the prime time here on Card News channel. Do stay with us.